Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you really quickly how you can edit the subject lines for your emails and replies on Gmail really quickly. So let us get started. Alright guys, so there are basically two different ways. If you, for example, start a new email in your Gmail inbox by clicking on Compose here in the top left, you will be given access to the new message window here. So as usual, you simply enter your subject for your email here. So no rocket science. That's the first option. However, guys, so what if you'd like to, for example, edit a subject line for replies and for emails you would like to reply? It is actually no rocket science. Let's say, for example, I would like to reply to that email for the sake of this tutorial. So let me right click on it, select reply here. That is going to prompt or open that reply window here. So as you can see, the subject line for that reply has already been crafted automatically with that RE, which stands for reply. So as you can see, I can't edit it directly here, but there's a simple trick we may apply here to add a custom subject line. All you will need to do, guys, is click on that arrow down icon next to the reply arrow here and select edit subject from that list below. That is to prompt that reply window here. So here you will be given the opportunity to simply highlight your replies subject line, delete it, and enter a custom subject. Like, for example, let me add my reply or something like that. And after that, simply click on send here at the bottom or fill the email with content here and click on send later or schedule for sending. And that's how you edit subject lines for replies on Gmail, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.